The broader market indices outperformed in the month of June, and that is exactly what the seasonality pattern a month ago was suggesting. But the key question is going forward, what can we look forward to, in terms of the June seasonality? Well, going by history, there is a possibility that we could have some rotation from the broader market space once again back to the larger indices because the Nifty has been the rank outperformer in the last 5 years on an average, returning more than 3.5%, in the month of July. Whereas the Nifty Bank has surged a little over 2.5%, and the Nifty Small Cap also has surged 2.6%, and the Nifty Midcap index has surged more than 2%. Remember that all of these 4 indices have managed to gain 4 out of the last 5 times in the month of July. So overall, the impact on Indian equities has been positive as far as seasonality in the month of July is concerned. Moving on to the sector specific action, Nifty IT index has been the rank outperformer, nearly 6% return on an average, and it has been positive 3 out of 5 times. Followed by the Nifty Energy index that has also managed to surge more than 5% and has been positive 4 out of 5 times. The Nifty PSU Bank index has surged more than 3% and has been positive 3 out of 5 times. Followed by the Nifty Financial Services Index that has also returned about 3.3% on an average in the last 5 years and has been positive 4 out of 5 times. Some of the other indices that have been positive are the Nifty Pharma and the metal space, which have surged more than 2% on average and have been positive 3 out of 5 times each. Nifty Auto, Nifty Infra and the Nifty FMCG pack have surged a little more than 1%, and these two have been positive during the month of July. The only exception in the sectoral indices is the Nifty Media index that has declined a little less than 1% on an average. In fact, 3 out of the 3 times in the last 3 attempts, that has been negative. So watch out for the Nifty Media stocks on the downside in the month of July. As far as stock specific action is concerned, let me start off with the stock gainers, where the market capitalization filter that we have applied is more than 5,000 crores. You have the paint stocks which have done really well. Asian Paints and Berger Paints 9% on an average that they have returned. Torrent Pharma, Divi's Labs and Alembic Pharma also surging about 7 to 8% each. Followed by Imami, IndusInd Bank, IDFC as well as PNG Hygiene, which have surged about 3 to 7% each in the last 5 years on an average in July. What's not done well? Not much to talk about over here, and in fact no notable large cap names that feature in this list, but let me just highlight what's not done well. With a market capitalization of more than 1,000 crores that we have filtered out, Sadbhav Engineering along with Swaraj Engines, these two have declined more than double digit in the last 5 years on an average in the month of July. Followed by Jabran Prakashan, which has declined 9%, FCT declining about 6%, and then you have Kolte Patil along with SKF India, which have declined about 5% apiece. And lastly, you have Mahindra Lifespaces Developers, which has also managed to decline about 3% on an average in the last 5 years during the month of July. But overall, the seasonality pattern does suggest that there could be positive impact on the equity markets, and in particular, the large cap stocks could actually outperform going by history.